900 मीटर कह रहा था, अब 4.9 किलोमीटर दिखा रहा भोंसड़ी वाला।
ये भी डाला कर भाई। ओ,
बड़ा आरामी गूगल मैप। लेट्स गो। There he is. I can see him. Perfect. Let's greet him. Oh, let's roll. My boy is on KTM RC 390 and here I am on a 150. Perfect. It's gonna be a perfect day. Okay, so let me tell you the agenda for today. So we both are going to the Damdama Lake. It is in Delhi NCR, not Delhi NCR, it is in Gurgaon, on the outskirts of the Gurgaon. And it's been on my wish list to go there, and I pinged him last night and I asked him that he wants to join me on this or not, and he was all 100% in, and so we decided to go in for this. And so we are perfect Delhi riders. So today is weekend and look at that beautiful sun in the foreground. Look how beautiful that is. And I don't know if you're able to tell this or not, the Delhi 100 is going to be on that one today. I'm already excited. Holy shit. Let's catch up with him. So we are almost there. I don't know the route ahead, so I'm gonna be following him. He knows the route up till a point. After that we're gonna take help of Google Maps, the almighty Google Maps, which hopefully will take us to our destination. And so far it's going good. the roads on the Sunday or Saturday or the weekend morning, I would say, are completely empty, and that is what we need. That is what we ride for. Okay, I can see the off-road patch has already started. There is a good amount of off-road over there as well. So we'll see if we're gonna tackle that as well or not. Okay, so we have reached up till the point where we know the route, and now I'm gonna take help of Google Maps, and let me show you one small trick. Let me first type in the destination here. So let me first start this. Okay, so if you do not have a phone mount over here, like as you can see mine is broken, what you can do is you can take small piece of rubber band. These are 2 rubber bands, and what you can do is just route this rubber band from the back. Let me first show you. It's kind of fiddly and the room is very small. Just bear with me, guys. And that is how you mount your phone without a phone mount. नहीं गिरेगा. Make sure you use solid rubber bands, otherwise I am not responsible for your phone falling off. And now we're gonna just follow the Google Maps, and I'll see you guys once we reach there. Okay, so finally we are almost there. It still says 900 meters. We have been riding for so long now, and the worst part is the roads here are not good. There are speed breakers almost after every 100 meters. So we'll have to cope with that. Anyways, it's only 900 meters now, and we have almost reached there. ऑन कर ले, करना तो आगे बस 900 मीटर कह रहा था, अब 4.9 किलोमीटर दिखा रहा भोंसड़ी वाला.
ये भी साला कर भाई.
बड़ा आरामी Google Maps. As I've already mentioned in my videos that I do not trust Google Maps, so here we are with the testimony of that. Just a while back it was showing me 900 meters. Now it is showing me 4.9 kilometers. What the heck is going on? Now we are taking a different route now, and we have another map going on in his phone, hopefully for the sake of backup. Let's see where we go. We're gonna take a U-turn. And now it is showing me 1.8 kilometers. Let's see where we head now. Let me wait for them first. Okay, let's go. Hopefully we reach our destination now. Here it says Saras Damdama Lake. I believe we are heading to this good. Okay, so here we are. This is the Damdama Lake. Although this is not the place where we have to park our bikes, we have to go over there. That is a resort, and we have to either take this route and we have to go there, or we can do off-roading on this route as well. And apart from that, the view is beautiful. As you can see, there is some boating going on and activities. Let's go there and see what it is. And now we are going towards that resort that I was talking about, and the off-roading has started. Although this is not the route that we have planned to take, and this is a very simple route, I would say. And the other route which you would have seen in some videos where there is a good bit of off-roading involved, this is not that route. Anyways, we might tackle that route on some other video some other day. Let's for now, let's just go there and enjoy the evening, sorry, the morning. Okay, so we have reached somewhere where there is no point of return. What is this? I believe I'm gonna tip it over, but it will be difficult for him. See, it is doable for me. It is doable for me. I can do that. पक्का उधर है. What do you say? Should we do this? There's a piglet, there's a cow, there are people all over around. Okay, easy. This is definitely a village. You cannot call this Gurgaon, not at all, not in this world. Okay, so this is the entry. Finally we have reached here. This is the place where the Damdama Lake Resort is. Let's wait for him. So if you come here, you can enjoy all the activities. So let's get inside and let's see how it is. I believe there would be a ticket or something. If not, let's just park our bike. Okay, so we are finally here. This is the Damdama Lake, and to be honest, there's nothing here. Do not come here. And the scene, the view is beautiful. If you want to come here and you just want to sit here, you can do that. Apart from that, there are some activities that you can do, like boating, and there are some people over there doing kayaking, but I believe that's their own kayak. Apart from that, there's nothing here. So let me first show you the view. Okay, so this was a total fail, to be honest. And the route that we wanted to take, I just asked the janitor here. He told me that the route that you want to take for the off-roading, you have to follow this road. straight ahead, and for approximately 2.5 kilometers, and that is where you're gonna find that route. So we're gonna not gonna take that route today. We're gonna take that in some other video, and we're gonna come here again, and that day we're gonna do some good bit of off-roading. And now I'm gonna be riding this RC390. I have ridden this before. If you want to see me doing a video on this one, let me know in the comments down below. This belongs to my good friend, and we're gonna do that. And apart from that, there's nothing else to show you now, and now we're gonna just head back home, and I'll see you on the road.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Let's roll. Okay guys, so Damdama Lake was a complete fail. The route that we wanted to take, wasn't that route, and we asked the janitor over there if we want to take that off-roading route, then what is going to be the route. He told me that you have to go straight on that particular road for almost 2.5 kilometers now, after that resort, and that is where you'll find that off-roading route where most of the bikers go. And we're gonna tackle that route in some other day, in some other video, in some other day. And as of now, as you can see, I'm riding the RC, and trust me, the best part of the day is right now. I'm having the most fun right now. This thing just shoots. After the 6,000 RPM, there's no one can stop this bike, not even you. This thing will just go on, and you just have to control yourself. It's just like that. And apart from this, there's nothing else to show you now. We're just heading back home now, and we are starving, so we're gonna stop somewhere to have something, to eat something. And with that said guys, I'm gonna close this video right here, right now. And as always, let nothing hold you back in life, and always keep moving forward. And one more thing that I want to share now is that riding this bike wants me to buy a new bike. And although I was looking for a new bike, this has made my mind more clear, and I will be making a dedicated video on this one very soon. And in that, I'm gonna review this bike. And I've already asked my friend that can I take his bike out for a ride someday, and he has said me that definitely you can. So I'm gonna be making another video on this particular bike, so stay tuned for that. Apart from that, we're just gonna go home now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Let me check what time it is. Oh, it's time for a daily 100. Fuck! This thing just shoots, man. This thing just shoots. There's no way you can stop this thing, man. No way. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.